We're making Kiki.
Chocolate balls.
Is it good?
We're making
Chocolate balls!
Hello, this is Mindful Gains. Welcome to my channel. This is day 64. I've only got 1 more kilo to gain to hit my target weight of 80 kilos. And I've got about 20 days to do that. So I'm confident I'm gonna get there, but you can never rest on your laurels. So today I'm in the kitchen and I'm gonna show you how to whip up some protein balls. Some really tasty little snacks that you can take with you on the go and eat whenever and wherever. Word of warning, 2 word of warnings. First word of warning is these things are super tasty, so you might just end up eating them all in one shot. Second warning is I ain't no avant-garde chef. I don't get in the kitchen that often. My wife Beck does most of the cooking, so don't expect any miracles here. If you want an awesome cooking channel, check out the Avant-Garde Chef. He's an awesome vegan chef. I'll link his channel below. But anyway, let me show you my protein balls. Here's the master's workstation. So let's kick this off with the ingredients. 20 dates, 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of walnuts, 1 cup of pumpkin seeds. There's your protein powder right there. They have 30 grams per 100 grams of protein in them. Amazing source of protein. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of cacao nibs, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and some coconut flakes. So let's just have a look at the nutritional value of these little protein power balls. I've placed all the ingredients into Chronometer, and if we look down at the nutrient breakdown, 2,157 calories, not bad. Nutrient targets across the top, nice bit of fibre in there, your daily allowance, beautiful amount of iron in there. But what we're really interested in is the proteins. Look at that. There's your daily allowance of protein hit. You maybe want a bit more if you're trying to build muscle. I aim for about 100 grams, so 67 grams is pretty good. Once you've finished coating them in coconut, just pop them in the freezer for half an hour. In true Blue Peter style, here's some my children made earlier. Look at that one. It's a miniature ball. Let's try it. Das ist gut, ja.